It's Friday morning. Wow! The week is over. But self-isolation is not over yet. The video, I'm going to upload it now, so by the time you see this vlog, it's already up. Yay! So it's no secret anymore. My diabetes program is called Beat the Sweet, and I hope that you guys join me. It's an online session. We're going to use Skype, and it's basically more educational. And I really want persons to understand the condition and understand different ways in which they can make healthier lifestyle changes so that they can get better control of their blood sugar levels. Join me. All you guys have to do is send me an email or message me on any social media link if you're interested, or if you know anyone who might benefit from the program. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. How y'all doing? You doing good? You love to show all this love. How y'all doing? Did y'all sleep well? Did you sleep well, Mister? Love you. Waking up to them every morning is the best thing ever. They always brighten my day. Love you guys so much. I think breakfast is my favorite meal of the day because I get to eat my yummy oat mixture. Oh, that was very satisfying. Keep updated, guys. Watch the news. Gotta vacuum my room. Let's get to it. Woohoo, I'm finished! Alrighty guys, my video vlog is out from yesterday. Checking out on my Beat the Sweet with Didi official video ad is out as well on YouTube as well as Facebook. So this is my video vlog. Made some food and did root fish and parasite. And this is my video ad. Ooh, I hope you guys like it. It's for diabetic persons. It's starting in April. So please message me on any social media link if you're interested. Okay guys? Please. I really want to reach out to all those who are home and who are in self-isolation or who are practicing social distancing. During this time, you guys might be really bored and you might start to overeat and just feel snackish all the time. We don't know how long this is going to last. We don't know if it's going to get worse. Let everyone know that there are always online services available if you have anxiety issues, if you need counseling. Now that you're home all the time, you may be gaining weight. This is where I can come in and help you. My Shape Me Didi program is catered towards weight control, whether you need to lose weight or gain weight. It can work both ways. It all depends on your individual needs. So you can reach out to me on any social media link or send me an email. I will respond to you. Online payments can be made. It's not a problem at all. For the most part, it will be the nutrition counseling sessions that will probably be online and be more focused on. If you do need help with healthy meal prep options, healthy snack options, I can also do that with you on social media. We can either video chat or call. Stress and anxiety definitely can lead to weight gain during this time. Definitely. Yummy snack time! Got my fruit, 5-finger dates and prunes, and a muffin, banana oat. With this home time, I'm gonna do some cleaning. Oh, wipe down some surfaces. Look at all that dirt! Oh my gosh, this is my bed head. I am so embarrassed. Good boy. Wait. Go! Come speed me! Yes! Beep. Ball? Booga. Come. Sparky! You want to give me a ball? I have an online session now. Yay. I'm finished with my online session. Woohoo! I love it. I love this online thing. It actually takes away a lot of stress by being online because I never really charge for transportation or anything like that. And going to person's location, you don't really know who you can trust, who you can't trust, and it was a lot harder. But now that it's online, all of that stress is gone, and I'm happy because it actually could work. Got a sweet. It's dinner time, guys. You know, my mad mixture, and I got my yogurt. I feel so happy when I see my patients and they're making good progress. It just makes my day. So I'm just typing up the advice from the online session that I had today. How are you guys doing at home? Let me know. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.